Well, hello, my students. We're going to have two videos today. Oh, my honors. The first video are the answers for the last couple assignments. Make sure you're doing it right. Now, the first two were for amplitude changes. We multiplied the numbers out front. And remember, the amplitude is the absolute value of the number multiplied to the trig function. So the amplitude is 3. Another way is max minus min divided by 2. 3 minus a negative 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. Or how far from the middle to the top, another way. So this is y equals 3 cosine x. You got to have this labeled right. This is 90, 180, 270, 360. And then absolute value negative 2 is 2. And then it's negative, so you flip it about the x-axis. So here's the amplitude change. Homework. Then here is the homework for the period changes. Remember, it's 360 divided by this number, so the amplitude would be 720. And every 180 degrees, there would be a change. So notice I made the one really tiny because 180 is 3 times that, so that way I'm not off the page. Because if I had a big one, then 720 would be woohoo, way out there. I'd be in my bathroom, and you don't want me in there. Cosine 2x, so that would be 360 divided by 2 is 180. So it's a wee-hee. So 180 is the total distance. So it'd be 45, 90, 135, 180. But it starts at 1, comes to negative 1, and back to 1 at the end. It's kind of hard to see these. Let's see. There we go. Is that a little better? So, okay, and then sine 6x. So I made the one bigger because the period is 60. Holy cheese, every 15, 30, 45, 60. So I made the one bigger, so it goes across a little more. And then 1/4 x. Wow! Look at that. So a 360 divided by 1/4 is 1440. So every 360 degrees is an important point. Mercy. That's a big one. Then we had an amplitude and period change. You do the period change first. So that's 120, 360 divided by 120. Then you multiply that by 1/4, which is every 30. So 30, 60, 90, 120. And then it's negative 3, so it flips about the x, and it goes down and up for sine. Then, whoosh, we had a shift yesterday, and here's 2 of them. Again, let's do this. That's a little better. So that's the first and third one, I believe. Here's the second one. That's 2 cosine x. So you have cosine x, and then you move everything up 2. So what I did is I drew the major points for cosine, and then I just added 2, moved it up 2. Then the bottom one is 2 plus 2 sine x. So I did amplitude change of 2, then I moved everything up 2. Isn't that fun? So there's number 1. That was y equals 3 plus sine x. You just do sine, add 3, move it up 3. Here, that's the middle one. So we have the middle one is, or number 3, I guess, is sine, and you add negative 2. So it's sine and just add negative 2 or move it down 2. Okay. So the next video, we're going to start radians. Holy mercy, mercy, holy.